Hello everyone and welcome to our channel.
I'm Rose.
I am Rag.
And please join us on our journey for lots of travel videos, adventure videos, and many exciting videos to come. So please subscribe and stay tuned.
Thanks a lot.
Bye. Welcome back, everyone. So today we will be taking you to Coorg, which is a place based in the state called Karnataka in southern part of India. Oh my God, Coorg is such a beautiful place to visit, and you guys should definitely take the time out to go there. So what we've covered in this video is that we'll be taking you around Coorg, which is a hill station place, and then we'll also be showing you Snapchats of the resort that we've stayed in, just covering the beautiful, amazing scenic views around. We also went to a small forest area just close to our resort, so we'll be covering that as well, along with an amazing waterfall adventure trip that we have planned during this journey. So stay tuned, guys, and have fun. So Coorg is very famous for tea and coffee plantations as well, because it's an amazing area where you've got a lot of forest area and you find a lot of organic homegrown food around. So it wasn't just about the tea and coffee plantations, but also with regards to a lot of spices, pepper, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon sticks, etc. All of these are grown organic on a large scale in Coorg. So we would definitely recommend you guys to get a big stock of that when you're visiting Coorg, so you can take it back home with you, and of course add these amazing spices to your wonderful dishes as well. Now, coming to the tea and coffee plantations, they do have very famous areas for tea and coffee plantations, and they grow it in a large scale. And of course, because it's organic, the taste just goes to the next level. I'm not a coffee person myself, but I did get a chance to taste a lot of organic varieties of coffee, and trust me, they were just on the next level. And of course, tea as well. I'm a big fan of tea, so we did get to taste a lot of different types of teas, homegrown as well, and they all just tasted absolutely wonderful. So this is also another highlight of Coorg. In addition to that, in the resort that we stayed in, we had all the meals provided. So the resort was more like on a hilly area, so on different sort of layers of floors you had different cottages and some greenery area around each cottage as well. So the distance between one cottage and another was quite huge, so you would have that kind of privacy as well, especially if you're going as a couple or as a family or just as a group of friends. You do get your own space to just enjoy, have some fun, just have that good conversations with your loved ones as well. And that bit of privacy that you need, that was definitely taken care of as well while this cottage was being constructed, this particular set of cottages. And in this particular resort, you do have good options of food available as well. So for breakfast, lunch and dinner, the package that we took for is inclusive of all meals. So during the meal times that they give you, you just make your way up the hill, which is quite a healthy walk as well. We had a good time walking up the hill, and having all these different kinds of meals with all these organic ingredients used. Oh my God, the taste was just absolutely amazing, and something that we just totally enjoyed. So right from the drinks, your tea, coffee, to all the amazing dishes, vegetarian dishes, non-vegetarian dishes, Indo-Chinese dishes, you name it, they had all the amazing options as well. In addition to that, they had options of thalis as well, lots of different thalis. So I'm sure all the food lovers would really love this section. Then in addition to that, they had many different activities organized within the resort itself. So we had nature walks organized within the resort, where they would take you to different areas, tell you about the different plants, all the organic stuff, so people who are really interested in gardening or getting a sample as well, I'm sure they would go the extra mile to help you out. In addition to that, we also had a bonfire night, so just a sort of group activity with different guests that were there, because all of us are on this hilly area. Like I mentioned, you have different cottages sort of on different floors, you see, because it sort of becomes like a different flooring level since you're on a hill. So it was a good opportunity to meet all the different guests on different cottages. So if we are on level 1 cottage A, we could meet somebody who's on level 12 cottage B. You know what I mean? So that way, that was a nice activity just for a couple of hours to get to meet all the guests as well, people from different parts of the world, different parts of the country as well, who all were just there to have fun, celebrate, celebrate. And during this bonfire night, of course, they had this bonfire lit up as well, and all of us were just dancing around the fire, playing different songs, playing Antakshari, our typical old amazing music game that we all play since we were children. So that game was on as well. Then they also had different game rooms for kids and teenagers as well. So we had table tennis, carom board, snake and ladder, different board games, allowance as well. And then I think there was also a magician on board who did show us some good tricks as well. So all in all, the resort put in a lot of effort to make sure that all the guests felt welcomed and felt engaged as well. And they also had a lot of other centers for massages and for facials and body massages as well. So that is something that we definitely would recommend you guys to go for. And then we also had an opportunity to visit a museum around, which is called the Government Museum, based in Madikeri. So we had an opportunity to go here, and wow, I mean, it's a small museum, but we love the fact the way they've preserved a lot of stuff from all the different historic periods, and it teaches us a lot about Indian history as well. So this is definitely a must-visit place where you can see a lot of historical stuff, and I'm sure it's good for our general knowledge as well, isn't it? And like I mentioned about getting the organic stuff, make sure you pack your bags with a lot of Indian spices and a lot of coffee and tea as well, because it all tastes really good and it's organic, so it's really good for your health as well. And all in all, a place that everybody should visit, just to connect with nature, just to enjoy to the fullest with your friends, families, kids, elderly people as well. You name it, it fits in for all the different age groups, because at the end of the day, I think Coorg sort of balances out everything in a way that everyone from different age groups, everyone from different parts of the world, of different parts of India, different states, can just have fun, relax, have a good chat as well, and all in all make this trip a really memorable one. So guys, stay tuned, keep watching this video, and I'm sure you'll enjoy all these wonderful pictures and this entire video as well. Do let us know your opinion in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you. And if you've been to Coorg and tried out some amazing dishes, do let us know what you've loved the most as well. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you soon with more amazing videos. Until then, stay tuned and stay safe. Bye.
I don't wanna waste time. Well, remember tonight I found something here with you. Running by the roadside, wait up for me. I'd go anywhere that you do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotion. Put it all out in the open.
Don't tell me it's time to go. Now that we made this far.
Wandered till I'm broken, never look back to the ocean. Still know you'll meet me at home. When we're lost and out of focus and we don't know where the road is, I still know you'll meet me at home. Meet me at home. When I can't decide and the fear leaves me blind, you always will lead me through. If you need me at the wrong time, throw it all out by the wayside. There's nothing that I wouldn't do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotions. Put it all out in the open.
Don't tell me it's time to go. We made it this far.
Wandered till I'm broken, never look back to the ocean. FaceTime. Well, remember tonight I found something here with you. Running by the roadside, wait up for me. I'd go anywhere that you do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotion. Put it all out in the open.
Don't tell me it's time to go. Now that we made this far.
Wandered to a broken, never look back to the ocean. Still know you'll meet me at home. When we're lost and out of focus and we don't know where the road is, I still know you'll meet me at home. Meet me at home. When I can't decide and the fear leaves me blind, you